nice. That was good. What a cool bridge. So we are leaving Oban and we are on our way to the Isle of Skye, and it's a lovely day. It's about 24 to 25 degrees, so I'm just going to be filming some footage on the way, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Nah, that's not Skye Bridge. It really is nice around here. I'd quite like to see a sign to know where we are, to be honest. What's that, sir? Green Bank Cottage? Oh, it's the boys!
I'm gonna go fucking ballistic. Get a grip!
going to cross over the bridge of Skye and head over to Portree Co-op, and then we have to head up north to our accommodation for the evening, which may be a little bit tricky. Might be a little bit tricky to find. Still recording, that's good. But you know, we'll play it by ear, we'll see. I hope there's no toll going over this bridge, but we'll soon find out. So what else I was going to mention? Oh yeah, this little spoiler's been an absolute godsend. I've purchased a little eBay purchase, and yeah, I've obviously got it down for the moment because it's extremely hot today. But yeah, for when I was on the motorway yesterday, it was pretty awesome. Saved me getting a lot of wind in the face, so you know. It looks like you can also get a ferry, which looks quite good really. On the way back I might consider getting the ferry, depending on the price and the times. Well, here we are, Skye Bridge. I've been wanting to cross this bridge for quite a long time. I've been wanting to do the Isle of Skye for quite a long time, so looking forward to this. The island itself doesn't look too big, so it looks like we could pretty much tour the entire thing in a couple of days.
Well, that was a fucking lie.
But here we are, Skye Bridge. Man, what a long time coming this has been. This was actually one of the first places I ever wanted to go to in Scotland, but if anyone remembers when I had the RVF 400, I went with a couple of old friends, and yeah, just didn't really, the bike wasn't really suitable to go as far as this. It has been a tasking journey, even on the Tiger actually, considering I haven't toured in about 2 years, but here we are, Skye Bridge, lovely. Wow, look at that, incredible. And now we're here, we're on the Isle of Skye.